we wanted to come up and try and get some artists to come up to the Green today and try and see if we can get some engagement, get the local community here to come and do some, engage in some artwork. We've got lovely artists here today. We've got Mayumi Nakabayashi. She's a land artist and she's starting to make a beautiful piece of work on the land over there, and so she's inviting the community to come in and help her to do that. We have Red Moon Creative Arts Theatre just behind me. I think there's a mad puppet show going on there at the minute, and we've got Anne Manning who's doing some lovely clay work, so she's inviting the community to come and make some little clay pots. We've got Juggler Brendan, and of course we started the whole day with Block O'Gorman, the wonderful Block O'Gorman, coming in with energy and with music, drum beat, to start this festive day for the community here in Gimont.
My name is Pat Carty. I'm a resident here in Gimont almost 40 years. We had a great day on the 7th of September with tea on the Green here. We had most of the families out here. We had a great day with the children and all. They've never seen anything like up there before. It means a lot for the community in Gimont because they see people doing a little bit, and if people see anyone doing anything at all, they're more inclined to get involved. So we're just hoping that the residents had a great day that day. We don't want to be a once-off. We wanted a regular occurrence, and like you see the way the place is now, it's not looking too bad. And just hope to keep it that way and just keep them days going like more regular.
So today was about the agencies, including the council, the guards, the fire service, the HSE, Wexford Local Development and Creative Enniscorthy and more, coming together to meet the community in Gimont to celebrate what they have here, a great community spirit. We've been working very actively with the community here to improve the local environment.